So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make delicious, nutritious, and easy breakfast. Every morning, you don't have to get up and cook. And prepping is everything. So what you see here is what goes into making this breakfast. I like to actually make them in advance, and I put them in the freezer. And every morning I take one out, add warm water, milk, or coconut milk, whatever the case may be, and I'm off to go and blend it. So this is to show you is the already made frozen one. I just took one out, and I'm going to show you how to make this. So everything you see here is from Costco. So you can buy these from Amazon. We have like about 10 of these at home, and we make it for me and my wife. You want to start with heavy items on the bottom. So when you, this is a Nutribullet, by the way. When you get it upside down, it easily gets on the blades, the weight of the heavy one. So let's start with the carrots. So we're gonna start with about 6 of these baby carrots. Sweet, a lot of fiber, delicious. You don't need too much ginger. It's gonna make it a little bitter if it's too much. Just a small little sliver like that. Turmeric is a must. Again, you have to prep these, freeze them. Just a little bitty piece like that. Celery stick, washed and peeled, 1 stick. So you can choose your fruit. I am gonna give you my favorite. I love strawberries and bananas, so I'm gonna go about, these are huge, so I'm gonna go maybe 3 of these, actually maybe 4. For fat, I'm gonna use chunks of avocado frozen, or you can use nuts. I'm gonna give you exactly how much nuts, but about 1/4 of a cup if you don't have any other fat like milk in it. So let's go for 1/3 of a cup here. This is about how much avocado we're gonna get for our fat. The power greens, again, I got the frozen one for you because we keep everything frozen. So with this, you can go as much as you want. I go a big chunk frozen. You want to get your greens here. So here we go. For our carbs, we're going to use some oatmeal, dry oats. Guys, we're going to get 2 scoops. Girls, we're gonna have only 1 scoop. So I'm just gonna go for 1 scoop for now. Protein powder is a must. I'm gonna put 1 scoop for women. This is about 25 grams. This is the one I like. This vanilla cream, ice cream. Again, from Costco. About 25 grams of protein. Guys, you can add another scoop or half a scoop. All right. So for women, we go half a banana. With guys, a whole banana. Here we go. And this goes into freezer. Just like that. So if you prep these on a Sunday and 5 for the whole week, you have 5 breakfasts ready to go. Take it in the morning or at night. You can put it in the fridge overnight to thaw out, but I like it a little bit cold. You can add, coconut milk, almond milk if you're lactose intolerant. If you want more protein and more calories, I recommend milk. Great post-workout. And that's it. Thank you for watching and learning. This one is one of my favorites, again from Costco, real cocoa, organic coconut milk. So we just add this. You want about a cup and a half of this. I'm just gonna wait till it goes down. Here we go, here's our Nutribullet. And voila, just like that, you get this delicious, nutritious breakfast. Post-workout, could be pre-workout. I normally take this after my workouts, and I can't wait till I drink this. And again, you can change it around so you don't have the same taste. One day mango, one day blueberries, one day strawberries. So cheers.